Afternoon everyone, I'm Catherine from Callanland Does Keto, and this afternoon I'm going to be experimenting with a sweet dessert, a chocolate Bavarois no less. This is by a chef called Matthew, let me just check his name, Caruana. Now I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. He's based in Worcester and he's got a book out called Everyone Deserves Desserts, and they are all keto based. I'll be honest with you, I'm a bit skeptical because so far every keto dessert we've tried, and even the ones we've bought, you can actually taste the sweetener in it. Check out his Instagram page. His Instagram page is Sweet Keto Chef, and there'll be a link in the bottom. They look absolutely amazing, and I will love this person forever if this dessert works out. Because like I say, so far we've tried quite a few and only one has been successful so far. So catch up with me in a few minutes when we have a look at the process, and then later on we'll do a taste test and see how we get along. Speak to you later. These are the ingredients needed to make the chocolate Bavarois: some whipping cream, Truvia, 2 egg yolks, 1 leaf of gelatin and some cacao powder. So we'll see how we get on. To start with, you place the cream, the sweetener and a pinch of salt into a saucepan on the heat, and you just let that scald slightly. Scald means just almost to the boiling point. Whilst you're waiting for the cream and sweetener to cool down, it's a good idea to whisk the rest of the cream that you'll be folding in until later. You want to whisk this until it forms soft peaks. So this is mine once I've whisked it. I'm sure Matthew will tell me if it's overdone or not done enough. Next part is to add the yolks to the custard mixture and give them a good whisk up. And then return them to the heat on the lowest setting, whisking all the time until they start to thicken. Squeeze the water from the gelatin and add that to the custard mixture. The water from the gelatin and add that to the custard mixture. The next stage is to fold this cream into the custard mixture. Right, so that seems to be making it fall apart. So I think what he means is to fold this mixture right. So we nearly went wrong there. So what we need to do is fold this into the mixture a third at the time. I'm sure if you buy the book, at this point, there'll be pictures. And I'm sure if this works, I'll be having the book. the last third going in. Using a metal spoon, very important that you use a metal spoon. And then the next stage is to add this to moulds. Now really you should be using rings, but I've tried to get some rings and I've been unsuccessful, so I'm going to use dairy moulds, and we'll see what it comes out like in a few hours. Clearly I haven't done a good job of turning this out, and this looks better, and I'm sure if I'd put it in the sleeves as you're meant to, it would look much nicer, but it looks pretty good, so we'll see how it tastes in a second. Hi everyone, quick update on the chocolate Bavarois. It was absolutely lovely. Everybody enjoyed it in our house, including our daughter. So I'm going to tell you all now that you all need to go out there and buy Matthew's book. Matthew's book is called Everyone Deserves Desserts, and it is going to be a bestseller, believe you me. You need to go out there and buy it if you're on the ketogenic diet, because this is going to be something you're going to use again and again. There's going to be a link down below for you so that you can go and buy the book. And that's it for now. Speak to you later and see you tomorrow for Callan Land Coach. See you later. Bye.